One of the reasons that we chose Perma-Column as a foundation system is because people want to protect their investment. But there's another important side to this business. It's about a deck builder being able to get his jobs done and serving his customers appropriately. These can be shipped to your job site by a local supplier. The deck builder can then take these posts, drill down to the appropriate depths for the frost line, place the footing in the ground, place the Perma-Column deck post on top of it, and then they can frame that project today, which saves them hours in lead time of getting to their next customer. We recommend Perma-Column precast deck post. Build better, build stronger, build to last. Go with Perma-Column.